I'm told that no one watches a SaaS video for more than 90 seconds. That's the rule. So the only chance that I have to show you a product so interesting that will help me break that rule. Let's dive in. Petavue is the reporting and insights platform for the post-AI world. Imagine Snowflake plus Tableau plus Looker on Claude or ChatGPT. You prompt in your query and you get back complex reports spanning across data sources: HubSpot, Salesforce, Mixpanel, ad platforms, third-party databases, anything. So you get all complex reports and you get in-depth analysis just by prompting, including correlation analysis, all in minute. The Petavue MCP is basically a one level up from this. It lets you access all of this directly, all the reporting and insights and analysis from the AI interface of your choice, Claude, ChatGPT. Let me actually show you. So what you see here is the Petavue platform. This under settings is where you get all the integrations. These are ready to integrate. You click on connect, it will get you to an authorization page and it will connect to your tenant. All of your data is just stored in your tenant and it does not intermingle with the other tenants. There's basic user management and there's data hub. Data hub is important because here you can define all the custom definitions and metrics that you use, which is unique to your organization. For example, if you have a very different definition of MQL or average sales cycle length or campaign count, now you can define all of them in natural language. Metric definition agent will help you fine tune that to a level where it's a consistent definition that you can use in all your report building and analysis. Now here you see there are two kinds of definitions. One is the metric, another is a term. Now, as you can understand, metric is a quantitative definition where you can define it in terms of formula or a static record. A term will be a qualitative definition. It can be a mix of different terms that you already have, and you can put all of that together and convert that into a term. Once you have defined the metrics and the terms here, or if you don't want to, you can just go with the standard definitions inside your HubSpot with our AI agent understanding it automatically. And you can either go into the explore section where you get a conversational interface to start querying, building those reports and analysis, or you can go directly into Claude, which we'll do right now. Let's do it. As soon as our team connects the Petavue tenant through an MCP to Claude, you can log in into Claude. There's the screen that you're greeted with, which is the usual Claude chat window. Let us run a quick use case for data assessment. Petavue, can you audit my contacts in HubSpot and Salesforce and tell me the fields present and their fill percentage? What it will do is it will audit all the contacts in both of your data sources and tell you the contact health. So it asks, do you want a regular analysis mode or a deep analysis mode? Let us check out what a deep analysis mode is. So the regular analysis mode will run the query directly and give you the answer. The deep analysis mode runs a planner, which gives 5 to 7 steps plan that you can go through and approve, and it will run as a. So it understands the analysis requirement and gives you a step-by-step plan, which is step 1 is extract all available fields and their metadata. Extract all available fields from Salesforce, calculate fill percentage for HubSpot contacts and Salesforce contacts, and then combine all of it in a comprehensive result. It is asking for my approval, so I'm giving it now. It will run in batches, which is step 1 to 4, and then it will run the step 5, which is combine all of it together. It takes anywhere between 3 to 6 minutes, depending upon the extent of the data. In this tenant, we have over 300,000 contacts combined. Now you can see that it has executed all of these steps. It took 2.5 minutes to do it, and now it is preparing the results, and it will ask for my approval to combine all into one report. There's the summary. You can expand all of these and check what happened at each stage. And this is all natural language, so you can understand what's happening in the background. Now it is asking whether I should execute step 5, create a comprehensive dashboard. This is the dashboard that took 1.5 minutes. This is an artifact inside of Claude powered by Petavue. So you see the total field is 58 across both systems. 15 fields has more than 80% filled. There's the HubSpot overview. Total fields is 20. Average fill rate is 60%. High fill fields are 8. Then similarly for Salesforce. And this is the distribution of the fields overall. Interesting piece is this one, where you can actually filter it based on the data source. So let's see my HubSpot only fields of contact, how they are filled. So if you see the object ID is 100%, email is 100%, you actually get a status of this. You have the fill rate, field name, and the system from which this is coming from. In fact, you can go here and select all systems, which will give you both HubSpot and Salesforce. So as you see, owner ID 100%, it is coming from Salesforce, object ID is coming from HubSpot, and so on and so forth for all the fields that are present and analyzed for fill percentage. And you can actually see the fill percentage here. This is how Petavue as a platform operates with its MCP through Claude. Now, what was really happening is you are accessing all of your GTM data combined, and you are able to create reports, do analysis, drive insights, and then drive actions on top of it, all by prompting in natural language. In the demo, you saw it through Claude. You can also do it through the Petavue own conversational interface as well, which is much similar to what Claude would offer. Thanks for watching the entire overview. I hope that it's interesting, and we sincerely hope that you give it a try. We know that it will be of immense value to you and your GTM stack.